orders. This is the part that actually makes you money. So let's make sure you understand how it all works in Ysell. For FBM sellers, orders come in from Amazon automatically. As long as you have connected your Amazon account, which we did back in video number 2, so by now you should already be seeing orders populated in your account. Let me show you how to work with them. First, click on orders in your left bar. Here we can see all the orders which are synchronized with your platforms. Each order shows here an internal order number, a platform order number, buyer name, purchase date, latest ship date, a refund total, status of the order, and shipping cost. The last ship date column is important to keep an eye on it because Amazon has strict shipping deadlines for FBM, and missing them hurts your metrics. Now we will open an order and see what is there inside. Click on any order. So, first column, you see order details. When the order will be in the status ship, here you will see a tracking number. You see from where this order has come, the platform order ID, purchase date, payment date, etc. The next is the billing information and shipping information from the customer. Then you have sales proceed, the figures of the order. Also, when this order will be shipped, let me see if I have. Yeah, I have already. I have already an order in shipped status. You can see here order services. You can see that here we have used one box with dimensions 866, which cost 55 cents. Order fulfillment quantity, it is 0 because there is only one product in that order. Order fulfillment purchasing, $2. Next, we can see the sales proceed, which are the order figures. Here we have order settings. We see that this was sent from the prep center 365 prep center, and delivery was Amazon, which means that the shipping label was automatically buffed on Amazon and integrated into this order. If we are scrolling down, we can see the order contents, and you can see all your products. You can see here how many products was bought in this order. You can see how many of products are reserved, also how many products you have in stock. Product dimensions, you can see here, unit price, order amount, etc. Orders in Ysell go through different statuses. Remember, the exact status name are configured specifically for your setup, so you might looking slightly different, but in general the flow is first status when the order is coming into Ysell is paid. Here we can see all paid orders. This means that order just came in, nothing was done yet. The next is prepared on prep center. Here it is. If the order was paid and you have enough stock on the warehouse and the stock for this order was reserved by the system, you will see this status. It means that the warehouse didn't begin the order sending process. The next status is reorder required. Here it is. Reorder required means that you have not enough stock for these orders and you need to supply the stock. The next status is label printed. Label printed means that the warehouse began the order purchasing and orders will be picked and shipped today. Shipped is the last status of the order. It means that your order was confirmed by the packer using a tracking number scan. And the second one, order will be picked up by the carrier today or last tomorrow. If you ever see an order stuck in an unexpected status, check the order error block on your dashboard. It usually tells you exactly what went wrong. If you are an FBM seller and we are fulfilling your orders, you need to make sure the order is routed to 365%. This can happen automatically through order rules, which we will cover in the next video, or you can do it on our manually by opening the order and selecting our prep center in the routing fields. Once it is routed to us, we take it from there, pick, pack, label, and ship. Tracking and labels. Once an order is shipped, you will see the tracking number and carrier attached to the order. Ysell automatically pushes this information back to Amazon so the customer get their tracking notification. You don't have to do anything manually for that. It is all automatic. If you do not use the automatic rules for purchasing the shipping label directly from the Amazon, which we recommend because they are A to Z guarantee claim protected, you need to attach the shipping label to each order manually to send us this order. How to do that? Let's open an order which is in status paid. To attach a shipping label, you need to go to Documents, Browse, select the shipping label, yeah, for example this one, file type, shipping label, carrier. You can choose the carrier, for example USPS, and then upload. I will not upload because this account is using Amazon integration. The next, what you need to do is send from. As default, we can choose what is default. Default can be prep center, prep center 365, and save. Here, the delivery will be attached label, just because we have a label attachment here. In case we are using automation, you do not need to do this for each order. If it is one order, it's like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, not more. But if you have 100 orders, it's a full-time job. So that's orders. How to find them, how to read them, how to edit them, and how they flow through the system. Next up, order rules automations. This is where things get really powerful because instead of manually routing every order, you can set up rules that do it all automatically. Trust me, once this is set up, you will barely have to touch individual orders at all. See you in the next video.